Hi, I'm Charlotte and this is my Ballerina Princess. This is really cool. I think it would be a really good Christmas present. Yesterday I went to Toys for Kids and I bought this Glitzy Globes Balerina Princess and it's really pretty, and I got the Glitzy Globe this Glitzy Globe Ferris wheel for Christmas. It only comes with 4, but I just got this one for my bedroom, and when you fill up the Glitzy Globes they look really pretty, and I'm going to unbox my Glitzy Globes. Now let's do it. It only comes with one of these. You can add one in. I do have one, but I lost it, and so I'm just using the one. And so the first thing you do is you put this clear dome inside there, and it doesn't come with the water, so just put water in the dome while it's in the star. Put in the glitter. And then you put in the elephant. So when you shake it up, because it's just a dried up ball of glitter, it gets wet and then turns into little pieces of glitter. Or if you have one of these from something different, it's easier to use this, because this you have to push on the plastic to put it in, but this you just squeeze it like that, and then when you open it, it's already made because it squeezes it on for you. And now I'm going to do the big dome, so I'm just going to put it straight in and I'm going to fill it up by the hole. The swan goes in the middle, and there's 2 that go to the side of it. And if you want, you can put that in there like that, but I don't want to, so I'm just going to leave it there. And before you shut it, you put in the glitter, and then make sure that the black elastic's not bent, and then you fill it up with the water. And then you shut it. And it looks really cool. And you put it on here and put the ballerina on top. And it spins around. This is really cool. I think it would be a really good Christmas present, and thank you for watching. open. I'm terrible at holding these things.